Hey guys, what's up? What is up, man? How you doing, man? It's your boy again. So, we have a question here. So, excuse me. The first question say, before we get started, man, excuse me. There's a lot of gang violence going on in Southside Chicago, man. It's not everywhere, it's not everyone, but the time to stop violence, man. It's stop violence. That's the reason why I wrote this on top. Chicago Southside, All Bloods, Glenwood. Stop gang violence, man. I made a place where there's a gang violence. Please, let's stop it, man. Stop that. Boko Haram also in Africa, Al Shabaab. Stop killing innocent people, man. Stop killing innocent people. You know what I'm saying? Please, stop that. Pray for Libyan city, man. Everybody knows what's happening in Libya. There's a lot of, something going on. I hope now it's stopped. Silent people and slaves and Syria also, man. There's a big war. I really don't have to explain anything about Syria because I hope everybody knows what's happening. You watch news every day. So let's go to the first question. It's a mind divide dx to the following. So I'm saying it's a mind divide dx to the following and simplify if it's possible. So they give us here exponential function. You see? And then we have to differentiate. So look here, man, before I get started there, let me show you something simple for you so you can have a clue so when you get there straight and then you'll be able to understand. Okay, so for example, if somebody give you, excuse me, let's say y squared equal to let's say 3x cubed. Let's say differentiate. You see, let's say find dy dx. Find dy dx. So whenever you differentiate exponential function, this is what you do, right? So you start facing on the left. This is y. When you differentiate y, excuse me, mean these two is gonna go back. See this power? Power always go back or go front, and then you drop your y the way how it is. 2 minus 1 to get 1. What do you differentiate? We differentiate what? Y. So if it's y, you have to give it a spec. I give it a spec. So when you give it a spec, when you differentiate, if this is y, you say dy. It means, hey, give it a spec. So this is going to be dy. Now we come this side. So for this side, you don't do like that. You know what I'm saying? You cannot do like that. You don't have to do like that. What you do, remember this exponential. How do you know exponential? Exponential means you have a number, power, something. So you see this is a number, power something. So that's exponential. So if you're exponential, this is how you differentiate. First and foremost, you have to differentiate the power. So you say I have to differentiate. What if this is x? So I have to differentiate the power. What is my power? My power is x cubed. And then after that, excuse me, and then you write as it is. You write as it is means multiply as it is. Multiply by 3 as a given x cubed as it is. You write as it is. And then after that, you say ln of this number. Mean this base here. So ln of 3. So that's how you differentiate exponential function. So, excuse me. That's how you differentiate exponential function, right? So, and then after that, excuse me, dy. Okay, so then after that, you say, okay, so I get it. I forgot something in my apology, man. So this is dy dx because you differentiate with respect to dy dx, so you differentiate with respect to x. So that's okay. So then after that, we say dy dx. I don't need this one because I want to get dy dx, so I'm going to have to divide by 2y. So all this stuff here, I'm going to divide by dy. See, so I say, okay, this is equal to, let me write it as t face. When you differentiate now, x cubed, what happened? This 3 goes back, and then it's going to be x, 3 minus 1 equal to 1. Okay? And then multiply by 3x cubed, and then ln of 3. See, but you still have a 2 power y1, y power 1, this is 2y. So we don't need this because we want to get dy dx. So we divide by 2y throughout. So divide by 2y this side and 2y this side. So this and this go. So dy dx equal to, then the question is done. So it's going to be 3x, 3 times 3x cubed ln of 3 over 2y. Over 2y. And then after that, excuse me. So mathematical, I think you can put this together because these 3 power 1 and this 3 power x. So we know in math, if the base are the same, we can add the power. So this let me say 3. So we're going to take power 1 times 3x cubed closer. And then we have our x here. And then we have a ln of 3 over 2y. But look, so I can put this together still. I'll say dy dx. dy dx. Our body can see. We have a problem, please, man. Leave a comment, say, ask me anytime, feel free, okay? So this dy dx. So I can add the power. When the base are the same, you write on the 1, and if there's a multiplication. If the base are the same, there's a multiplication, you add the power. So you add the power, and then we have our x, and then we have a ln of 3 over 2. But a y, you take your y given here on the given equation. Look, so now I don't have to write y again because it's good to write everything in terms of x. Okay, so from the given, look from the given here. So, okay, so let me take this one here. I'm gonna write here on top. I hope you know when I get confused. So I'm gonna take this, which is y squared equal to 3 power x power q. So I just want a y because it's good to have your final answer in terms of x. So I'm gonna get y here because it's y, only one y. So this is y squared. So square root, and I'm gonna square root. So these and these gonna cancel. So the value of y from the given equation equal to square, and they have 3 x cube. So I'm gonna take this one here, see what I'm saying? This and put it in my final answer. So now I'm not gonna write this y again. I'll write bracket, because I made this y subject. You know what I'm saying? Because it was y. So I'll say bracket, bracket 1, 3 x cubed. Okay, so that's our final answer, man. So yeah, I don't think you can simplify further. So that's our final answer. X power cube. Yeah, x cube. It's not x power cube. Let me write x what cube. So this is our final answer, man. So that's how you differentiate whenever you have exponential function. That's how you differentiate. That's a phase derivative. How you get phase derivative. So let's go to the question there. So I'm gonna rate this party. That was a warm it up. So that was warm up. So let me just erase this one, and then we go to our question concern. Let's go to our question concern. So it's easy. The question is done already, man. The question is done. You hear me? So let's go, man. So let's go to the question. So we say, given that one right there, y equals to 12, and then e 2x plus 3x. So we're gonna do the same methodology. So let's go. So let's get an optimum solution, the optimum method. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna say this, since we differentiate y and x, so it's gonna be dy, and remember, is only gonna give you 1 because look, let me just go step by step. This, so let me copy fix. Y equal to 12, and then you have e 2x plus 3x. So look, this is like power 1, even if they didn't tell us, but it's power 1. Let's differentiate. 1 is gonna go back, and then we're gonna drop our y as it is. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. What did you differentiate? We differentiate y, of course. So if you differentiate y, means it's gonna be dy, means respect to y. But remember, differentiate with respect to x. So we're gonna say dy dx, and then equal. So we're gonna do the same application here. Remember, we differentiate y, exponential. So if we differentiate exponential, so what's gonna happen? What's gonna happen is we're gonna say we have to differentiate. Alright, so excuse me. So now we say okay. So now we're gonna say so we're gonna differentiate this one. So we're gonna differentiate this one right here. So we're gonna differentiate this power. So we're gonna say okay, we differentiate e 2x plus 3x, and then after that we're gonna write as it is as a given equation. Means it is all of it. So it's okay. So then after that we're gonna write 12, and then e x 2x, plus 3x, and then we say ln of this number. That's how you differentiate exponential. These are rules, right? I'm saying that's how you differentiate what? Exponential functions. So let's get it. So we say okay, so now after that, so I can do something here. So 1 times any number power 0 equal to 1. Mchwana Bantu Academy, power 0 equal to 1, right? U power 1 power 0 equal to 1. Anything power 0 equal to 1, even if it's x, 2, 3, 5, 8, y, m, all the word power 0, this equal to 1. Anything power 0 equal to 1. So we know that. Okay, so for that case, I'm gonna say 1 times 1 equal to 1. So just 1 dy dx from the 1 times dy dx is dy dx, and then equal. Now I'm gonna differentiate this one. So when you differentiate exponential, look, if somebody give, let's say, e x power 8, differentiate. What you do, you differentiate this power. When you differentiate x power 8, what you're going to get is going to be 8x power 7. See what I'm saying? So if somebody give you x8, so if somebody give exponential differentiate, what happens is x8, what happens means you differentiate this power only. When you differentiate, you're going to get what? 8x power 7. And then write as it is. That's how you differentiate what? Exponential. You see what I'm saying? You get it? So it's like somebody give you e, let's say tron over bantu power x. Means when you differentiate this, you're going to differentiate the power, which is going to give us m dash x. Because when you differentiate anything, means you can put dash x, and then you write as it is, which is going to be e and power x. That's it. So the same thing I'm going to do here. So I'm going to differentiate this, which is going to give me 2. 2x, you differentiate, you're going to get 2. So I'm going to say here it's going to be 2. I'm not going to write dy dx because I'm going to differentiate. And then I'm going to write as it is, e 2x plus, when you differentiate 3x, you're going to get 3. 3x, look, 3x. This means power 1. So this one is going to come back. So when it comes front or back, whichever you prefer to say. So 1 times 3, 3, and there's going to be x. 1 minus 1, power 0. So 3 times n number power 0 equal to 1. So it's like 3. Let's just say 3 then. Okay, excuse me. So now, excuse me. So then after that, this is going to be for here. And then we write as a t. So we got 12. And then we have e power e 2x plus 3x, and then ln of 12. Just let me bring this here. Ln of 2. Ln of 2. Ln of 12, my apologies, I forgot to here. Ln of 12. So yeah, that's it, man. That's what you needed for this question, and the question is done. If you're having a problem, man, if you think this video was very helpful and you FaceTime on my channel, make sure you click that, subscription button. It's very important. Subscribe button, subscribe, so that every time when I put up new video, it's gonna be easy for you to access without even, you can get notification automatically. So share with other people, share with a friend, share with a neighbor, whoever thinks might need use my video, for academic journey. Feel free, man, so I can continue to support you for your education journey. Thank you so much for time. Thanks so much for your time. I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Stay tuned.